The diagram shows the top view of a regular case of cans of soda. Each can has a diameter of 7 centimeters. And so here's a diagram representing that. And it says calculate the length and width of the case. And so if you notice here, this here is 7 centimeters. And so in order for us to figure out what is the length of this case, what we're going to do is, you notice that this is 7 centimeters. So that means that this is also going to be 7 centimeters and 7 centimeters and 7 centimeters and 7 centimeters and 7 centimeters. So we take 7 centimeters and we multiply it by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that gives us 7 centimeters times 6 is 42 centimeters. So that means that the length of this case is 42 centimeters. Next, we have to figure out what is the width of the case. All right, so the width of the case, notice that, again, we're trying to figure out the width of the case. And it says here that each can has a diameter of 7 centimeters. And so what that means is that, this here, the distance from here to here, since it's the diameter, is also 7 centimeters. So this is 7 centimeters. This right here is 7 centimeters because it's the diameter of the can. This right here is also 7 centimeters. All right, so this is 7 centimeters. And this right here is also 7 centimeters. And so we have the width of the can is going to be equal to what? 7 centimeters multiplied by 1, 2, 3, 4. And so 7 centimeters multiplied by 4 is 28. And so the width of the can is 28 centimeters. Next, our goal is to calculate the area of the base of the case. So what is the area of the base of the case? Well, the area, well, it's a rectangular case. And so the area is going to be length times width, where the length, which we just saw previously, was 42 centimeters. And the width is the length is 42 centimeters and the width is 28 centimeters. So we have 42 centimeters multiplied by 28 centimeters. And when we multiply these two together, we get 1,176 centimeters squared. And that's the area of the base of the case, 1,176 centimeters squared. Next, our goal is to determine the total area occupied by the cans. And so what we're going to do is we're going to figure out what is the area occupied by one can, all right? And then we're going to multiply it by the number of cans that are inside of this case. And so the area of one can is, it's a circle, right? So we have to use the area of a circle, which is pi r squared. Pi in this case is 22 over 7, and r is going to be the radius. So r is going to be half of 7, which is the diameter. So 7 divided by 2 is 3.5. So the area of one can is going to be what? That's going to be pi r squared. And so we have 22 over 7, that's pi. And then r is 3.15. I'm sorry, r is 3.5. So we have 3.5 squared. So what we have is 3.5 squared, which is 12.25. We put that over 1 because we want to multiply by 22 over 7. Next, we have 22 multiplied by 12.25, which gives us 269.5. Next, we have 7 times 1, and 7 times 1 is 7. And we divide these two, 269.5 divided by 7, and that gives us 38.5 centimeters squared. That's the area of one can, all right? And when we talk about the area of one can, what we actually mean is the area of the top of the can, all right? And so the area of that circular portion, that top, because this is the top view. So the area of one can is 38.5 centimeters squared. And so we need to figure out the total area occupied by all the cans. And so the total area occupied by the cans is going to be the area of one can, which is 38.5 centimeters squared, multiplied by how many cans do we have? And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So we have 24 cans. So we have 38.5 centimeters squared multiplied by 24, and that gives us 924 centimeters squared. Next, our goal is to figure out how many cans of soda did he buy. It says, Jim bought 5 regular cases of canned sodas. How many cans of soda did he buy? So we bought 5 regular cases, 5 of these cases. Now, one case contains 24 cans, but he bought 5 cases. So it's going to be 24 multiplied by 5, and 24 multiplied by 5 is 120. So he bought 120 cans of soda. And that's our answer to this question.